guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 18th of October 2024, and to this video guys, we have a person to meet up to see the car.
Have a look at the Mazda.
Have a look at my car there, that Mazda, because I just posted it in Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, not even 30 minutes.
No, it's even 3 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. No, 2 minutes.
So many people have...
Yeah, 2 minutes, and then so many people inquire about it, guys. So we're meeting someone today. They're very interested of the car. They must be. Yeah, they must be people that like a fast car. He's from Cairns, and he said he's a Pinoy. He's a Pinoy. He wants to see the car. Now, if he like it, he will buy it.
He said, I'll bring 4,000 cash. I said, no, the price is fixed at 4,500. When you'll see it, you'll see why.
Yeah, he asked for 4,000. 4,500 is already cheap, and you want discount?
It's top trading price.
It's the top trading price.
Not retail.
We did not put it in retail price, so that's why so many people interested on it. Now I don't want to sell it.
You're dirty.
I feel like I'm not selling it anymore. I feel like, oh, they want my car. It's my car. They want it.
But once you start getting up 7,000 to 8,000, you find a lot of people haven't got that sort of money.
I drove that car for 8 years now.
Is it 8? It will be in January 8.
It will be in January.
So,
It's 2017.
yeah.
Yes.
What's the boot? Is the boot tidy?
Oh, what? No, it's not. There's some things in there. So Johnny is cleaning up the thing. Bring a paper and pen, because if the guy is willing to pay or put some deposit, because Johnny need to put out to get the roadworthy first before we give the car to them. So we'll see guys if this guy will buy. So we're off to the town guys to meet this guy, to meet Alex, and Johnny is having fun.
No, I'm just testing the power.
Testing the power. It's fast guy.
Yeah, it's a fast car.
Yeah, it's fast. I like this than the Navara.
Different cars. Though.
Yeah, I know they're different cars, but I like to drive this one than the Navara. But if you haven't driven this,
Tesla, I'm sick of seeing it.
Johnny doesn't like Tesla, guys. There is Tesla again. Always in here. He lives in other, maybe.
Oh, it's always up and down.
Oh, it's a school zone now? A school zone. The school.
60.
Well,
There's no school zone. Only down
I
there.
mean, the bus. Where's that? The school bus?
Yeah, that would be because it's 20 past 3.
You know, guys, Mariba become a city now. They're putting up traffic lights in this intersection here. In there. So Mariba is improving. Look at that. See, nearly finished. It will be finished soon.
Just a matter of putting
No, there is already some of them.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
there's already there. Oh, there's already lights, guys.
It's not
See?
quite finished.
Not in use yet. Yeah, it will be finished soon.
Very soon.
Yeah. So we're here now in town. This is the start of the town. Jacaro. The other guy live near Jacaro, he said. He live in there, somewhere there, guys. So we'll see. This is our town of Mariba. bougainvillea. Johnny loves bougainvillea.
Look at the flowers.
Ooh, hit the Mazda.
Beautiful flowers.
There's a Mazda dealership and Mitsubishi. We have a car wash in here. Car wash. And we have a Whole Foods supermarket. And we have Toyota and Ford dealership. And we have Coles.
Yep.
Where I work. So many people on the side of the road. Politicians, guys, on the side of the road. Election is coming.
The Santa Fe.
So here we are. We will meet the guy in here.
Santa Fe.
Santa Fe? There's no Santa Fe there. He said. So that's where Coles, the red thing. Is that Santa Fe? That's a Prado.
No, it's not a Santa Fe.
There's a car there
Where?
somewhere.
I said opposite Coles.
Guys, we're already here, but the guy is caught in traffic.
Caught in traffic.
Somewhere, so he's late. He said he will be at 4 o'clock. It's only
Did he
30.
say 4 o'clock?
That's what he said. ETA 4 o'clock.
Oh my God, I've been sitting here for half an hour.
ETA is at 4 p.m. But I'll send when I'm nearby. You did
No,
not
I've been
read
sitting
it.
here for half an hour. The sun idling the engine.
That's what I reply. Okay, we're waiting.
No, just say we'll
So guys, we move here in the information center of Mariba.
Yeah, it's out
Yeah,
this way.
because it's shaded in here. Look at that, guys. They have a big bowl in there. I've been in Mariba for how many years now, but I haven't been closer to that bowl. And lots of tourists been there taking a picture. I haven't been in closer to that bowl. I live here. When you live here, you're not interested.
What's a ball?
It's a bowl, lots of bowls.
That's not a Santa Fe, is it? I stopped over there.
Santa Fe? No, Santa Fe is big. It's an SUV.
Yeah.
Like Helen's one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's some message. Guys, they said they're nearby. We get out from the car. The car is there. And looks new. So many interested on it. I'm interested in the car, Johnny.
You what?
I'm interested. I'm interested. I'm not selling it. Get on the list.
Yeah.
I'm on the top of the list. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Let's have a look at this bloody ball.
We'll have a look this. Lanta may anong ball guys. Ball. Look at the car there. Looks good. It's huge ball. Huge ball. Look at this, guys. It's a bloody huge ball. Video me. See the big. This is big. Oh, it's not.
He's hollow.
It's hollow. It's not concrete.
He's not eating.
I thought it will be concrete.
Yeah, I thought that too.
It's like plastic.
Like fiberglass.
Really? Look at
Must-
that.
It must be.
What's happening?
Stand there.
Where? Here. This is what happened waiting, guys.
This is what you call a load of bull.
It's not No, it's hollow ball.
Yeah.
It's hollow. So, where are they, guys? Johnny is ready to go home now.
Must be close.
If they're not coming in a minute, we're going.
Oh, the car looks good.
Because we have more inquiries.
Yeah.
Yes, and there's one just opposite in here. We can contact him. Where are they? Johnny. Johnny is
What does he call close?
boring now. Johnny's boring now. Miss his nap. He needs to pray a rosary.
Yes, I'm overdue for my rosary.
And Johnny, when Johnny tampo, guys, he went. They're here, guys. Filipino, they're Filipinos. Wanna buy my car? I'm not selling it now. I don't know where the toilet's in here.
What's the engine? 2.3
2.3
with turbo.
turbocharger.
Yeah.
Have you changed anything here? Like valve, water pump, injector?
This is such a low mileage car for the age.
So,
Everything is original.
Original, okay.
Nothing
Nothing has
nothing's
changed.
been changed. We put a new aircon compressor.
Aircon compressor.
The
It's a new
battery,
one.
I think the battery's about 12 months old. Aircon compressor and evaporator behind the dash.
No leak?
No leaks. The engine is immaculate. Nothing leaks. But you said that.
There's an ambulance
Yeah.
fire. There must be a fire somewhere. Are you mechanics, ah?
No. No.
I'm not selling it if I'm not having another car.
So, what car are you buying? There's a bit,
We've got a new car coming, a Toyota,
Wow.
a
RAV4.
RAV4.
Wow.
Yeah.
There's a bit of leak there.
There's a bit of leak. He said.
Sorry, where?
There's a bit of leak.
Oh, that might be the air conditioner, is it? Just the condensation.
Because you know the gasket, when you want to change it, it's expensive. Oh, it's covered. But if you check that, you see that underneath. See that on the bottom?
Yeah.
So usually a car without leak, they just look like this,
Yeah,
like
being
this,
dried.
all the way underneath.
Yeah,
So
I
that
don't
one,
know. That one, I'm surprised. I don't know what that is.
So you said Monday.
I booked it in Monday.
Okay.
Too late now.
All right.
For a race.
Yeah.
But it'll rent. The tyres are good, brakes are good, lights, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
No,
So I'll take it to the mark. You finished up again? So you finished?
yeah.
Okay.
Is that for you, sir? For you?
Yeah, this is for her. I don't have a car. I'm the one walking.
They're going for this one. So, we sold the car, guys. We're back in the house. Johnny sold it.
Well, we
Well.
sold it. I took the guy for a test drive, and he was a Filipino guy. He knew a little bit about cars. He checked out the aircon, that it was nice and cold. Wanted me to put my foot down, check the acceleration, and it went like a rocket. I did it in several gears. And we come back, he didn't say anything, and we just got out of his car.
He's just smiling.
Is that what he did?
Yeah.
He liked it, yeah. He didn't say much to me. We got out of the
Nah.
car, Marianne said, and gave the...
He get out and smiling.
Yeah, he's happy with it.
This is it, he said.
Very happy, yeah.
Because he's been looking and looking for cars.
And he had a look under the bonnet and There was a very slight oil leak. I said it doesn't use oil. A bit of moisture around something, but I don't think it wasn't a worry. It certainly didn't worry me. And yeah,
Must be a P.
paid the deposit, and I'll get a roadworthy Monday, and they'll pay the balance. Yeah, it's good, all good.
Yeah. And guys, I don't have a car now to go to work because the Navara is with Marifi now.
And I don't know what she's complaining of. She's always wanted a bicycle. I said, I'll go out and buy you a bicycle if you want it.
Where is it? I need it soon because I work straight next week, guys. I only have 1 day off to next week, only Wednesday. I work 6 days next week and I don't have a car. Johnny will be waking up early morning because I always start at 5 o'clock, guys. And
Oh, this is
my car is sold.
purgatory.
I will be pick up maybe Monday, my car. So I don't have a car to use because Taylor is not ready yet. My new car is not ready yet.
Well, we can always put Alex off and say, look, come on,
He needs he needs the car.
Yeah,
He needed it. He wanted to take it.
I would have let him take it today if he's, because I think they would have paid the line.
Yeah,
But
they're ready to pay,
yeah,
and they will do the roadworthy.
I could have knocked the 100 off for the roadworthy, but he didn't sort of push the point, so I didn't really
No,
worry.
they're rush. They're in a hurry
They were
because
in a
it's
rush. And we couldn't have done the paperwork, it was in a
yeah
rush.
graduation of their
Son.
son. Is it son?
I think so.
Year 12.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. I don't have a car anymore. Johnny's smiling at me.
Oh, you can take the GTR.
Ah! Oh, I will drive his new toy to work. Johnny will not let me.
No one is allowed to drive the GTR.
I'm allowed. No, the GR Sport.
Yeah, well,
The
I
Hilux.
need it. I go to church, although I don't have church Monday.
Anyway, my co-workers will be saying, "Oh, Marianne drive different cars every day."
My husband sold my car.
Anyway, that's it, our video today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my new car.
I'll see you